My name is Brian Morton.
What do you do as your job?
I am principal at Brighton High School.
Do you remember this formula?
I do not remember that formula.
Would you want help with it and get taught again?
Yeah, absolutely. Why don't someone show me? Are you going to show me?
This is our mathematician actually, and she'll be teaching you.
Oh, hello.
So I need you to pick two numbers, preferably under the number 7, because I don't have too much room on here.
Okay. I will pick 3 and 4.
All right. So what you're gonna want to do is when I'm gonna teach you how to graph it, and so for the m, you pick 3. So what you're gonna want to do is put 3x because on the paper, m is just your slope, pretty much.
Okay.
And so once you're given the slope, or you find the slope, because in some cases you'll need to find it, but we're not worrying about that right now. You're gonna have to put it there where x is, and then you're gonna put plus, and then instead of b, you put the 4 because that's your y-intercept. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to your y, and you're want to go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that'll be your y-intercept. And what you do next is for your slope, you're gonna want to go up 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 1. And then you do the same, but you do it opposite in a way. You go down 3, and then over 1. And so this will be your line.
So my question is, where did you get the 1?
So we got the 1 is because when you have your slope, it'll always be over 1. So 4 over 1. And so what you're doing is you're increasing. So you'll have to go over 1, or, you know, I guess
Okay.
over 1 again, but into the negatives. So negative 1 if it's a negative.
Okay.
Do you think you understand and can survive the apocalypse now?
Maybe 75% chance.
Let's go.
We got it.
What is your name?
Brooke Turner.
What do you do as your job?
I am an Algebra 1 lab teacher.
Are you confident in all the ways to find slope?
No.
Do you recognize this formula?
No.
Here's our mathematician Kaylee, and she will be teaching you.
Alright, hey, I'm Kaylee, and I'm going to be teaching you how to graph, and then I'm going to teach you how to find slope. Alright. Okay, now are you confident with all of the ways to find slope?
Not exactly. How do I find slope if I have the y-intercept?
Great question. I'm sorry, I meant to teach that. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put out the slope formula, which is y equals mx plus, give me a number.
5.
Alright, so y equals mx plus 5. We already have the y-intercept. So now what I'm going to want to do is give me 4 numbers.
2, 3, 1, 0.
Alright, so now we have 2 ordered pairs, 2 and 3 and 1 and 0. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to do y2 minus y1, which will be 0 minus 3 and 1 minus 2. And when you do that, you're going to get negative 3 over 1. And that will just give you negative 3. So your slope is going to be negative 3. And this also proves its point, is when you look at the y, since slope is your, y, when you subtract 3, it gives you 0. And since you're going down 1, you'll be subtracting 1. And so you get 1, 0 from, or 1, comma 0 from 2, comma 3. Do you feel like you understand now?
What are you all's names?
I'm Quentin.
I'm Olivia. What do you guys do for your job?
Oh, I study biology at Purdue University.
I own a hot dog. Do you know this formula?
Oh, that's
Never seen it in my life. Oh.
slope intercept point.
What's that?